Every time you swipe your credit card, the bank makes money. Not from you, from the store. And the store makes you pay for it anyway without ever telling you. This is how banks quietly collect over $30 billion every single year from a fee almost nobody knows exists. It's called an interchange fee, and it is one of the most profitable parts of the American credit card system. Here's how it works. You walk into a coffee shop. You order a $5 coffee. You tap your card. Transaction approved. You walk away happy. But what actually happened in that 1 second of transaction involves 3 different companies all taking a cut before the coffee shop gets a single cent. Step 1. You swipe. Your bank, called the issuing bank, sends the payment. Step 2. The card network, like Visa or MasterCard, processes the transaction. They take a small cut. Step 3. The issuing bank takes its cut, called the interchange fee. On average, it's around 1.5 to 3% of every purchase. On your $5 coffee, the coffee shop only receives about $4.80. The bank keeps around 20 cents. 20 cents for doing nothing more than approving a digital transaction. Now multiply that 20 cents across every credit card transaction in America. Americans made over 50 billion credit card transactions last year. That adds up to more than $30 billion in interchange fees alone every single year, quietly, invisibly, without most consumers ever knowing this fee exists. But here's where it gets interesting. The bank doesn't just collect interchange fees. They design the entire credit card system to make even more money from the people who carry a balance. I say this, the average credit card interest rate in America is over 22%. The Federal Reserve lends money to banks at a much lower rate. Banks borrow cheaply and charge consumers much more. That difference becomes a major source of profit, especially from people who don't pay their balance in full every month. And here is the part the banks designed most carefully. The minimum payment. If you have a $2,000 credit card balance and you make only the minimum payment every month, it can take well over a decade to pay it off, depending on the interest rate and payment amount. You could end up paying thousands of dollars in interest on top of the original purchase. The minimum payment was never meant to help you get out of debt quickly. It mainly keeps the balance active for longer. Then there are the late fees. Miss a payment by 1 day, and you could be charged a late fee. Miss payments repeatedly, and your interest rate may increase significantly, making the debt even more expensive. Banks collect billions of dollars every year from credit card late fees alone. The real twist, nobody talks about this. But here is the thing nobody wants to tell you. Credit cards are not evil. For people who understand how they actually work, they can be one of the most powerful financial tools available. People who pay their full balance every month never pay interest. They avoid late fees. Instead, they collect rewards like cashback, travel points, and sign-up bonuses. Those rewards are funded largely by interchange fees, paid by merchants, and interest paid by customers who carry a balance. So every time a responsible credit card user earns rewards, someone else helped fund them. Here's what you actually need to know. Banks profit from 3 main things: interchange fees from merchants, interest from people who carry a balance, late fees from people who miss payments. People who pay their balance in full every month avoid interest and late fees while still earning rewards. They use the system instead of letting the system use them. That is the real secret. The system is designed to profit from confusion. The moment you understand how it works, you can make better financial decisions. Every swipe earns money for the bank. Every carried balance earns them even more. Every late payment adds to their profits. Or you can pay your balance in full every month, collect the rewards, and avoid paying interest. The card in your wallet is either a trap or a tool. The difference is whether you understand how to use it. Now you do. Drop a comment if this changed how you see your credit card, and watch what we cover next.